In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp button to your Canva website to enhance communication and make your site more interactive. Adding a WhatsApp button is a simple yet powerful feature that lets visitors contact you directly with a single tap. This can be incredibly useful for businesses or freelancers seeking to establish a direct line of communication with their audience. So, without further ado, let's dive into the process. Firstly, open your Canva account and navigate to the website design you're working on, or you can start a new one if you haven't already. Canva offers a variety of templates and design tools to help you create a compelling page. Ensure that your website design is ready, as adding this WhatsApp button is typically one of the final steps. Now, let's focus on where you want to place this button. Generally, the WhatsApp button works best when prominently located, like in the header or footer, or even floating along the side for easy access. Take a moment to visualize how you want your visitors to interact with this feature. Next, head over to the Elements tab on Canva's left-hand toolbar. In the search bar, input keywords such as WhatsApp logo or WhatsApp icon. You'll find several design options, so pick the one that best aligns with your website's design aesthetic. Once selected, drag it onto your web page layout. With your icon in place, it's time to make it functional. Click on the icon, and then locate the link icon on Canva's top toolbar. Here, you'll enter a URL that will enable the WhatsApp chat. This URL takes a specific format, https, wa.me your WhatsApp number, replacing your WhatsApp number with your active WhatsApp phone number. Remember, include your country code but skip any symbols, zeros, or plus signs that usually precede it. After inputting this link, double-check to ensure accuracy. It's essential that visitors are directed to the correct chat. Once the link is added, give the layout a thorough review. Drag the icon to adjust its size and position it harmoniously within your design. It's also helpful to include a text call to action beside or beneath the icon, such as "Chat with us on WhatsApp," to make its purpose crystal clear to viewers. For final touches, consider previewing your website to see how everything looks. Utilize Canva's preview feature to view your design as if it were live, and check the button's functionality by clicking on it to ensure it directs to WhatsApp as intended. Once satisfied with how everything looks and functions, you can go ahead and publish your website. And there you have it. You've now successfully added a WhatsApp button to your Canva website, helping you bridge the communication gap between you and your visitors directly and efficiently.